Hi guys, good afternoon. So, quick review daw with the Adios Pro 4 na nabili ko. Kalimutan ko na mag-withdraw, hindi mag-withdraw, mag-review. Pero I think this is also the right time kasi I just used this sa Lazada Run 2025 for a half kilometer. So that's half marathon. So that's 21 kilometers. First off, sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang forma talaga niya. Actually, hindi siya mukhang carbon plated. Mas mukha siyang pamporma sa akin more than anything else. Number two, sobrang gaan. Sobrang gaan talaga. Sorry, disclaimer lang muna. This is just my second carbon plated shoe. So, just take my whatever I'm gonna say with a grain of salt. Okay? So, yun. Sobrang gaan. Sobrang ganda. Uh, Compared to my old carbon plated shoes, mas may cushion siya. Yung dun sa half Mary ko, although naglakad ako for the last 4 kilometers, hindi ako nagkaroon ng blisters with the shoe. Considering na medyo masikip pa to sa akin kasi pinabili ko lang to sa Japan so I wasn't able to fit it. Saktong-sakto siya sa akin, that's why medyo um, medyo mahirap, medyo may pain, pero okay lang, very manageable naman yung pain. I think if I could have gotten like, kasi I'm 9.5 dito sa Adidas, I think with this shoe, should have gotten 10 or something. Pero overall, it's very nice. Sobrang gaan. Again, yung sinpas, hindi siya basta-basta natatanggal. Very bouncy. Tapos kahit bouncy siya, maganda yung cushion. Stability, I think goes naman for all of the carbon plated shoes na stability will always be an issue. What else? I'm happy. I'm happy with the shoe. I see myself using this and I love this better than my previous carbon plated shoe. Yun lang. Bye.